Alright, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Yesterday, I was out yesterday. I had to do a family thing. The boys handled the brakes on this. You guys all saw all those videos. So I'm out here. I'm just gonna go for a little test drive, see how she's doing. It's kind of cool morning this morning with the clouds and everything. It's spitting rain a little bit, but oh yeah, the brakes feel normal. Normal-er, anyway. Probably gonna get better gas mileage now because it's not dragging. We do have brake light on, but the boys were talking about yesterday, as you guys saw in the videos as well, about all the issues with the parking brake and everything. So we'll be going over that momentarily. We're having a conversation on that. Scotty's gonna get on that next. And I'm gonna drive this a few more times. Feel out these brakes.